How to use top personal injury attorneys online properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Finding top personal injury attorneys online can save you time and money, but most beginners make mistakes that hurt their case. You won't believe how often simple errors lead to poor representation. The first mistake is relying solely on ratings. High reviews don't guarantee the attorney specializes in your specific type of injury. Look for experience in similar cases. Another common error is ignoring fees and billing structures. Some attorneys work on contingency, while others charge hourly. Understanding costs upfront prevents surprises. Many users also fail to check credentials, verify licenses, past case outcomes, and disciplinary history. This ensures your attorney is qualified and trustworthy. A surprising mistake is not evaluating communication style. Timely updates, responsiveness, and clarity are essential. Poor communication can cause stress and missed opportunities. Finally, beginners often neglect consultation preparation. Bring all documents, records, and questions. A well-prepared consultation maximizes insight and helps you choose the best attorney. To properly use top personal injury attorneys online, check specialization, confirm fees, verify credentials, assess communication, and prepare for consultations. Avoiding these mistakes ensures you get the right legal support and improve your chances of a successful settlement.